Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to change your domain on DreamHost. So once you are logged in, go to websites and manage websites. And here you will see all of your websites connected. So for example, as you can see, I have free domains and only one is connected to the hosting because I have a plan which allows only one website host, only one website on a hosting plan. Now on domain names, you can manage the registrations. So basically you can buy a domain here, a new domain from the price like $2. And after that, you will be able to see it here. But to change it, you just basically have to add your website here. You can register a new domain, enter your domain, or create a free DreamHost subdomain. So basically you can register a new one, add it here and change it. Now, as you can see, my plan allows only for one hosted domain. That's why I'm not able to add a new one. But basically you need to change the main domain with a different one. So you will need to cancel this one and enter a new one. So if this video was helpful, please leave a like, subscribe to this channel, and I will see you next time. Bye.